As a number of cities across the country grapple with a spike in COVID-19 cases, the message from the White House appears to contradict that.
So what the president was pointing to, and I'm glad you brought it up, was a factual statement, one that is rooted in science, and one that was pointing out the fact that mortality in this country is very low.
While 32 states in the U.S. report a rise in COVID-19 cases, according to Johns Hopkins University, White House Press Secretary Kayleigh McEnany defended the president's claim over the weekend that 99% of COVID-19 cases are completely harmless, a claim that mayors of the hardest hit cities like Houston and Miami pushed back on.
The number of people who are getting sick and going to the hospitals has exponentially increased. The number of people in our ICU beds has exponentially increased.
If it were harmless, I wouldn't be taking the steps that we're taking here in Miami-Dade.
In Florida, more than 27,000 new cases were reported over the 4th of July holiday weekend. Parts of Florida announced a pause and some rollback of reopening.
It's a result of people being so sick that they need that kind of extreme life support. So we have to do something.
At Miami's Jackson Health System, the number of COVID-19 patients in ICU has tripled in the last month. A doctor we spoke to said just this morning he saw 2 people in their 20s on his patient list. White House Health Advisor Dr. Anthony Fauci says the average age of coronavirus patients has now dropped by 15 years. In Florida, 21-year-olds now make up a majority of cases. Florida took over 3 months to reach 100,000 cases and took just 2 weeks to reach 200,000. Hoboken, New Jersey's mayor says most of its 13 new cases come from people visiting hotspots like Florida and Texas.
This is the highest 2-day total in Hoboken since mid-May.
In Arizona, where infections jumped 300% in June, Phoenix's mayor says her city is facing a crisis because of the demand for testing. 1 in 4 people tested for coronavirus there are positive. In a manageable crisis, about 5% of people should test positive. Arizona's rate is over 25%. Florida is at 18%. New York is down to 1.
An outbreak anywhere is an outbreak everywhere.
Texas reported 500 new hospitalizations today, and cases topped 200,000. At the Texas Medical Center in Houston, hospital beds are running low, and the projected peak is still weeks away.
I don't bring any joy from closing things down, but I know that until we bring that curve down, we are not going to be putting the economy in a position to succeed.
Cases are also spiking in Austin.
And it's scary right now how quickly we're going to overwhelm our hospitals.
At the southern tip of Texas, this tent is a desperate measure by one hospital to house more COVID-19 patients. Hospitals in 2 counties in the region are now nearly out of beds. Another deeply disturbing trend, an analysis by the New York Times shows blacks and Latinos are 3 times as likely to be infected and nearly twice as likely to die from COVID-19 than whites.
99% of which are totally harmless.
In an interview earlier, the president's own FDA commissioner, Dr. Stephen Hahn, would not support that claim, saying simply COVID-19 is a, quote, serious problem. I'm live in the newsroom. Hermela Aragawi, KCAL 9 News.
All right, Hermela, thank you.